Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in essentials. Pick a 7-9 hour sleep window and commit to the same bedtime and wake time every day. Once set, make the room cool and dark. Aim for about 16-19 degrees C in silence. Put your phone away and enable Do Not Disturb. Then, cut stimulants. Stop caffeine after 2 p.m., avoid heavy alcohol, and skip big meals within 2-3 hours of bed. These changes reduce nighttime arousal and let your body start the sleep process naturally. Once prerequisites are in place, create a pre-sleep ritual you follow nightly. You want predictable cues: a warm shower, 10 minutes of breathing or progressive muscle relaxation, and low-light reading. These signal your brain to shift gears. Keep the wind down 30-60 minutes before bed and avoid screens or use blue light filters. Bright, cool light suppresses melatonin. If you feel anxious, jot a 5-minute worry list earlier in the evening so your mind isn't active when you lie down. To finish, monitor and maintain your gains. Track sleep for 1 to 2 weeks, noting bedtimes, naps, caffeine, alcohol, and how rested you feel. If you wake and remain awake more than 20 minutes, get up, do a quiet, low-light task, then return. This breaks the anxiety loop without reinforcing wakefulness. Make sure to avoid clock watching. If poor sleep persists longer than 3 months or affects daytime function, consult a clinician or sleep specialist for evaluation and targeted treatment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.